Graph the parabola. Give the vertex, axis, domain, and range. Here we have a function f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. Let's start by making note that, yes, this is indeed a parabola. Notice that our leading coefficient is a negative sign. Therefore, this parabola is going to open downward. It's going to have the same basic shape as our function f of x equal x squared as well, because the absolute value of this coefficient is equal to 1. So opens downward, same basic shape as f of x equal x squared. Let's locate the vertex using the vertex formula, where x is equal to negative b over 2a. b is 4, a is negative 1, so this is a negative 4 over 2 times negative 1. Negative 4 over negative 2, or positive 2. We can find the y value, or functional value, you might say, of the vertex by finding then f of 2, which is a negative of 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 1. That's a negative 4 plus 8 minus 1, or 3. So this parabola has a vertex at the point 2, 3. Let's locate that point. And let's identify then our vertex, 2, 3. Let's find just another reference point on this graph. In our function, if we let x equal 0, say, then we've got a 0 term, and a minus 1. So this function also goes through the point 0, negative 1. That just helps us determine how wide or narrow this graph is going to be. Draw it so that it is symmetrical, so that it looks the same on both sides of this axis that comes right through the vertex and splits the parabola in half. Now the equation of this axis is x equal 2. Lastly, for our domain and range, the domain is all of those x values that are used from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range starts right here at a y value of 3 and then goes negative. So let's write that range as negative infinity up to 3, and that's inclusive.